Oh my goodness, there's a dog coming here and something just flew off his back. I wonder what it is. Oh look, it's a letter. It says secret. Shh. Hello, super sleuths. From Mrs. Judy's STEAM videos this month, I learned how to make a periscope to peer around corners. I learned to identify fingerprints and how to write messages using invisible ink. We still have some November Super Sleuth Take and Make kits available, so call the South Fayette or Bridgeville libraries and see if they have any of the ones you want left. Today, as you just saw, I received a strange envelope. It was attached to the back of the dog. Let's find out what it says. Oh my goodness, I can't read that. I think I'm gonna have to learn to decode. Okay, at the top of the letter, I notice that there's a key. It says K20. I'm gonna put this up behind me, and then if you have a secret decoder wheel, you can follow along with me as we solve this mystery of what the letter says. I have my decoder wheel set to K20. 20 is in the small ring and K is on the outside ring. The first letter is G. So I need to find the letter G on the outside of the ring and mark down the letter underneath it, which is M. Then I find the letter M on the top of the ring, and the letter under that is S. Now I'm looking for the letter H, so I need to turn the wheel again until I find the H on the outside ring, and underneath is the letter N. Then I need to spin it until I find the letter C, and under the letter C is an I. So now I'll continue going around the wheel and using the letters on the paper, matching them to the outside ring, I fill in the letters from the inner ring, the dark colored ring. And as I go along, I begin to see the message start to appear. Miss Nicole, we think the kids are on to our clever plan. Our next mission will be more difficult. We should use Morse code next time. Bye for now, Miss Judy and Ms. Karen. Do you think I should send a reply back in Morse code? Well, here's Morse code. Each alphabet letter and each number have their own series of dots and dashes. So if you wanted to send a note that said hi, the letter H has 4 dots to it. So you would hit 4 dots, you would pause a minute, and the letter I has 2 dots. So in Morse code, you could either write it ... for H, space ... for I, or you would do 4 dots, space, that would be hi in Morse code. Over here, we have binary code, and binary code is the language that's used to tell computers what to say and do. So binary means 2, like a bicycle, 2 wheels. Binary code has 2 numbers. It has a 0 and a 1. Have you ever seen a power switch that's a rocker, and on one side it has a 0, and on one side it has a 1? 1 is on, 0 is off. The switches in a computer will go off and on based on whatever letter or number or character you want the computer to produce. So over here, we have capital letters that are in binary code, and lowercase letters are similar binary code, but they differ by just 1 number, so you have to be very careful when you're sending a message in binary code. And some of you may remember Miss Judy had a Take and Make kit for making your initials for a backpack using binary code. If you have not picked up your Cipher decoder wheel at the South Fayette or Bridgeville libraries. Call and see if we have any left, and if so, you can come pick one up.